A lot of you might be wondering how much money there is to be made on YouTube as a content creator. The views here are lower than they have once been in the past. So comparing this to the more relevant channels of today, there is a big difference in the payment and you won't believe how much it is. So if you're not aware of how YouTube revenue works, there's a thing called CPM and RPMs. Playback CPM stands for cost per milli, and then RPM means revenue per milli. And a milli is per 1,000. So it says here on my channel that advertisers are paying $11.34 per 1,000 views on their advertisement. That is what they're gonna pay YouTube. What YouTube pays to the content creator is about 55% of that revenue that the creators get, and at this rate I'm getting $4.96 per 1,000 views on my channel. In the past 30 days this has created roughly $650 and I have done 142,000 views. Let's compare this now to Gunther's channel, where if we apply the same RPM, $4.96, we can see here on Social Blade that the past 30 days Gunther the Great has 1.679 million views. At $4.96 times 1,679, that gives us 8,327, so roughly $8,000 a month. To take into consideration, my channel has been banned from the cannabis content. Advertisers aren't looking for my channel because of that. So when you have a more advertiser friendly channel, you will get better RPM revenue share, especially during times like the holidays. You get a lot higher RPM revenue because there's more high ticket products to be sold on those ads, like drones and video game consoles and computers and cameras. The revenue is greater because advertisers want to pay more. And that's about it for this video. See you guys next time.